let's get you an update as to how many people have been vaccinated in the last 24 hours. 54.24 lakh vaccine doses have been administered in the country. And as far as the vaccine drive is concerned, so far 29.46 crore vaccines have been administered nationwide. As far as the vaccination drive in the last 24 hours is concerned, we're seeing a slight dip from what it was on Monday. And the caseload declined to 6,43,194. That's the lowest in 82 days. The daily recoveries continue to outnumber the daily new case numbers. And when we talk about the last 24 hours, 50,848 new cases have been reported in the country. As far as the positivity rate is concerned, that stays under 5%. Now we have with us Sukirti, who's joining us. Sukirti, what's the kind of daily vaccination numbers as far as the vaccination drive is concerned? What kind of numbers do we need to vaccinate our adult population by the year end? And the pace at which we are moving, is that enough?
Well, Divya, the government had announced that they plan to vaccinate the entire adult population of India by the end of this year. Now, that adult population comes to a total of about 108 crores. Now, if one does the math, that comes to about 97 lakh vaccinations per day. Those are the kind of targets we should be achieving on a daily basis from this very point. But what has been happening is that our vaccination numbers have been much lower than that. If we look at the June average, it is somewhere around 34.62 lakhs. That is the average daily vaccinations that have been happening until this Monday, when we saw a very high figure of over 88 lakh vaccinations being done. But was it just a one-off event? Will we be able to maintain that consistency? That is the big question that is arising at this point of time, considering yesterday we vaccinated only about 54 lakh people, which is 25 lakh less doses than the previous day. So that consistency is what we need at this point of time. So ideally our target should be about 97 lakh each day, but we are falling much short of that, with just 54 lakh vaccinations being done on a daily basis, at least if we look at the last 24 hours. So for the kind of targets that the government has announced, our daily vaccinations will have to be much higher than this.
Right. Thank you so much, Sukirti, for joining us with all those details.